Star Daily with Phil C.
Right, so it would probably help if I hit the record button. So I just spent 20 minutes explaining a couple of trades that we were going over. So I have to do it all over again, which is fine. The update that I wanted to give here was yesterday. I now have to draw this back in. Yesterday we were involved in a dollar-yen trade on the 1 hour time frame. We did, price action came down and hit target 1 at the 382, so we nipped target 1 right here. And then what do we have to do? Because we trade 2 contracts, right? So we took off half of the position at the 382, and then we rolled our stops to break even. We were looking for a move all the way down into the 618 for target 2. We didn't get there. So price action came down and nipped target 1. Make sure I'm recording this time. Had to double check. And then price action came all the way up into our entries again and stopped us out for break even. What do we do from here? Well, the trade's over. It's finished. Now we be patient and we wait for price action to set up another opportunity for us in the form of a pattern trade. So we're waiting for price action to give us all 3 criterias met for a pattern. If it does, then we can look to buy or sell the market depending on the opportunity that the market gave to us. So we wait and we be patient. We wait for price action to set that up for us. That's what we're currently doing now. What was next? The pound dollar. So I'm currently involved in this trade right here. Okay, so this is the one that I was going over. So we'll just do it again, which is fine. Okay. Now my entries was down here, 22500. But I caught this trade late. Okay. One of the benefits of doing so is you end up having a better risk to reward, right? So if I had a Fibonacci, if I have a Fibonacci retracement from swing high to swing low, you can see our entries right here at the 886. So this trade, we're on the pound dollar 15-minute time frame. This trade right here is a bat pattern trade. We have a C point, which is at a 618, and then we have we have a C point, which is at a 382, and a B point, which is at a 50%. Okay, so as price action's pushing higher up into my highs, looking left right here, up in my structure level, okay, we still had a valid trade opportunity. So then I got involved with a better risk to reward, okay? Because if I got involved at the 886, price action would have already stopped me out and I wouldn't have the opportunity to get a reversal out of the market here, which is why I trade bat patterns anyway. I'm looking for a reversal in price action and I only want a little bit of a move. That's it. If I can get a 380, if I can get an 886 completion right here, then I can try and look for reversal into the 382 and the 618. Okay. So how do we arrive at this point right here? Oh, one of the things that I did explain in my non-recorded video earlier is, this is one of the benefits of catching a trade later. And one of the downsides of catching a trade later, which already happened over 30 minutes ago, so 40 minutes ago, is I identified a trade opportunity late and it's already completed and hit double targets. That happens too. But one of the pros, one of the benefits catching it late is getting a better risk to reward. As you can see here, sorry for repeating myself.
It's time to trade with me.
Yeah. Now let's draw this bat pattern out. We have our swing high up here and swing low right there. So this is my impulse leg, okay? So let's go over the rules together. Oops, there we go. Let's grab a Fibonacci retracement tool and go from our swing high to our swing low. This is our X point. This is our A point. Okay. Fibonacci retracement, swing high to swing low. What we're looking for is a minimum of a 382. So price action presses all the way up into the 382, and we finally reach a high here at the 50%. So we don't quite hit the 618. Price action moves all the way up, 382.50, giving us our B point completion there. The next thing that we're looking for, criteria 2, is a Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high. Okay. So go from swing low to swing high. What are we looking for? Minimum of a 382. Price action comes all the way down, hitting the 382. That means we've got criteria 1 and 2 met. So we have our B point and C point. Now we're looking for number 3, which is a CD completion of price action, as you can see here. Our CD completion, our CD projection, has already been filled at a Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low. Okay, swing high all the way down to swing low. We're looking at, as I mentioned before, an 886 completion right here, right? So if I draw that in like this, complete it like so. This way it's easy for us to see. Like this. This is our completed bat pattern. Again, caught it late, got involved right at these highs right here, giving us a better risk to reward. Okay, and looking for that little reversal in the markets. We may get it, we may not. Does it matter overall? No, it does not. What does matter is that we identified the opportunity and we executed our plan. That's what matters. You can tell that's what I've been saying every single day, and that's because it's highly important and it's critical that we do that. Now, let's take a look. Yeah, so I think my targets are in the right place. Fibonacci retracement, this low to this high. Okay, so we have swing low all the way up to swing high. Full leg of the move right here. I would make sure that's right. Like this. And then we have target ones at the 382, as you can see right here, and also target twos right down at the 618. All right. So this is what I'm looking at on the pound dollar 15-minute time frame. We are currently at market in a bat pattern. See if we can get a move down to our target. So that will give us about 19 pips or so. And if we get target 2, that will give us 40 pips. And our stops are right at, what's that? Our stops are right at 17 pips. And that is my timer. I hit pause. Right. Yeah, that's the current opportunity we're involved in. What was it? Dollar yen we covered. Pound yen, nope. Euro dollar we got stopped out of. Tried to get a move down to 382, 618. Market wasn't having it, and then pew, all the way up into our stops right there. Aussie dollar. What else was I looking at? Yeah, Aussie yen. That's what we're looking at. So Aussie yen getting involved at the 886. Aussie yen 1 hour time frame. Currently looking at a bat pattern here. We're just shy of the 618. So here's our X, A, B, C, D. So CD projection right here at the 886 would give us a valid bat pattern opportunity. And our entries, front run our entries by 5 pips. So it's giving us an entry at 89 157s. Stops above our X point looking left. And we're looking at targets Pretty sure that's right. Fibonacci, yeah, so if price action is down here and we're waiting for a CD completion, when we're projecting our targets, you draw the Fibonacci ratio up into our entry level right here, okay? So from our A point all the way to our D point, assuming that this is our D point right here. Yeah, targets are right. Stops X above X, targets 382 right here. Target 1 and 618 for target 2, like this. So that's another trade that we want to pay attention to together. That's the whole point and idea of doing these videos every day. So Aussie Yen 1 hour time frame. This is our potential bat pattern that I want to get involved in, depending if price action even gets there at that level. As always, I want to mention that if you like this style of trading and you want to work alongside with me and finally start seeing some results with your trading, then hit the link in the description. Get involved on the platform, which is called Start Classroom. It is free to join, and we also have a community there where you can get involved in chatting with me one-on-one. And I look forward to working with you soon. Until tomorrow, I will email everyone who's already with me the updates as the trades develop in the markets right now. Until tomorrow, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you then. All right, thank you so much.